Visumatic's rotary servo assembly machine is ergonomically efficient and compact, with the feeder on a locking tray beneath the work platform for operator convenience. Once a part is loaded and the cycle is activated with the touch sensor, the part is engaged and locked into place. Bolts are then driven in a programmed pattern that eliminates imbalance while supplying maximum joint control to the finished product. The angled touchscreen makes interfacing with the operator both convenient and comfortable. Light curtain safety sensors abruptly halt machine action if someone accidentally enters the work envelope. The programmable DC electric driver motor precisely installs each bolt to a discrete torque and angle. This rotary index servo machine has a purge function with reset capabilities for simplicity and enhanced productivity. Call us today or visit Visumatic.com for your own automated fastening solution.